Good morning, Dave here with Organic Gardening in North Carolina. I am getting ready to plant a dwarf Gala tree that I got from Stark. It's a bare root plant, so let me show you what I got. Here it is. Stark Brothers Stark Grand Gala Apple Dwarf. Okay, like I said, it's a bare root plant. Just got it yesterday. They shipped it at the right time for my climate, I guess. I thought they had forgot about me. I ordered it probably 2 months ago. Oh, right. Look at that. Whew. It's got some nice roots, huh? Pretty long. You know what that means. I'm going to have to dig a pretty deep hole. So there's the root stock there, and then the graft is right there. There's the graft. And this has, so that would be dwarf root stock with the graft up above it. All right. Well, I'm excited about this. Let's get started digging the hole. I'm gonna pull back this grass clippings that I had thrown here from mulch, and then we'll dig down. I really didn't think the roots were going to be that big. I didn't realize I ordered that old a tree. Let's see. Looks like that's going to get down to where I'm going to be digging. Hopefully you won't catch my butt too much. Got lots of nice worms down in there. They're a little bit cold this morning. Lots of worms. Isn't that amazing what wood chips does to the soil? This was solid construction clay. And I'm already down a foot and I don't even see a hint of construction clay. Now I'm starting to get into a little bit of clay. As a contrast for you, take a look at what the soil looks like in my yard. Solid red construction clay. That's what my garden looked like before I started putting wood chips on it. Of course, I did till it for a couple years and I did add some organic things, but I think the wood chips is what's really made that topsoil come alive. Okay, here I have it filled in loosely. I'm going to go ahead and put some water in to settle the soil down. I'm going to tie the tree to this fence right here to hold it stable until the roots in the soil gets more solid. You do not want to put fertilizer on a fruit tree right when you plant it. You need to give it a while for the roots to get established, and actually for the roots to go out and seek some nutrients and good soil. If you give it too much nitrogen or fertilizer, from what I hear, the roots will just stay right there and be happy. You need to make them a little unhappy so they'll go searching. I love to see so many worms in my soil. So let me get some water and dump one here, and then backfill it some more, and then put some wood chips on top of it. This is just some rainwater I had in the bucket over there. Just from the bucket sitting out in the yard here. Beautiful. Right where I want it to be. Okay, my camera's still going good. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of this mulch back on it, and then I'll put some wood chips over it. Okay, so here we are, all done. I put the grass clipping mulch under it, and then I covered it with wood chips. Gave it a nice deep layer of wood chips. So this thing should be ready to start taking off in the spring. Thanks for watching and have a blessed day.